What's the meaning of attentive? Attentive. Attentive.
Attentive. Attentive. The word attentive refers to being alert, paying close attention, and showing concern for others. When someone is attentive, they are able to give their full focus to the task at hand or to the person they are engaging with. Being attentive demonstrates a level of care and consideration for others, which can lead to stronger relationships and more effective communication. By staying attuned to the needs and interests of others, individuals who are attentive are better equipped to respond appropriately and provide support when it is needed.